Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Pilgrim Vitamin C Night Serum. Apply 2-3 drops to cleansed, dry skin and gently pat until absorbed. Allow the serum to settle for a minute before layering moisturizer. Use every other night at first, then increase frequency if your skin tolerates it. Avoid combining with strong acids or retinol simultaneously to reduce irritation, and always follow with sunscreen during daytime. Start with double cleansing and a gentle toner to prep your skin. Dispense 2-3 drops of the serum onto fingertips and warm it by rubbing hands together. Apply using gentle patting motions across face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Wait 1 minute for absorption, then follow with a hydrating moisturizer to seal in benefits. Gradually build frequency from every other night to nightly as tolerated for brighter skin. If you experience redness or stinging, stop use and resume at a lower frequency or mix a drop with moisturizer. Keep the bottle away from heat and sunlight to maintain vitamin C stability. Introduce gentle exfoliation 1 to 2 times weekly to help serum penetrate, but avoid overexfoliating. Remember to always patch test new routines and consult a dermatologist if reactions persist or if you have sensitive skin concerns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.